Hey there, YouTube. Could it really be Veganomix back for another video? It could be. Now, it's been very long time. I think the last time I did a video was June or July. But I want to basically do a garden homestead update and show you what's going on here. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, why don't you keep watching if you want to see what's. First thing I wanted to mention was I got a Tabasco pepper and a poblano pepper. This one's really hot, this one's really not. I traded them, well, I traded some mulberry cuttings for them, and I think a strawberry plant. One jackfruit, prickly pear cactus, moringa I actually just cut. It was probably 12 feet tall, just cut it the other day. Starfruit tree is actually bearing some fruit. Down here, I don't know if you can, there you go. Looks like one's gonna be ready pretty soon. Probably got like 20 fruit on here, which is cool. Oh, I also cut this moringa, and it's starting to come back. Coconut, mulberry, other moringa over there. I had a couple mangoes, oh yeah, right here, growing up here from a pit, but I'm just gonna kill that because it's pretty much dead anyway. Cactus, moringa, guavas. So we had a pretty big harvest of guavas, I want to say a couple months ago, but now we're getting another crop on here. This will usually fruit like 2 times a year, but it looks like this year it might be 3, because I think we had one pretty early on. I want to say like April, May-ish, and then we just had one, and now this is the 3rd one. So, well, it'll probably be a harvest for next year. So this is tree spinach, chaya. I've been cutting some and putting it all over. Let's go back over here. Some aloe, moringa. Everything kind of looks dead right now just because it hasn't been raining as much. Here's another mulberry. I was gonna save a spot here for the miracle berry that I planted, but I'm not sure if I want to put a mango here or a miracle berry. Got a lot of mangoes that we planted since I probably last did a video. I got my first prickly pear cactus fruit yesterday that was actually like turning purple, and so we ate it. But most of these just kind of look like this. They look dead and then they fall off. This is lemongrass, Hamlin oranges. Actually, some of these are probably ready to harvest. Oranges, some more mulberries. This is probably our biggest mulberry tree, and this was a clone. All the mulberries you see in this yard were a clone from that mulberry tree over there. All right, soursop. This side, the sunny side, has been kind of, looks like not very happy. But over here, shady side, looks a lot happier. So far, the lowest temperature we've gotten this year, I think, was 42. Not this year, but this season. So, you know, this thing has been a trooper. It keeps bouncing back every year. So hopefully it'll just be resistant enough to, and large enough to not really die from the frost. Its leaves do die back every year because we do go below 45 degrees. However, the leaves are still on here, and the other day it was 42 degrees. So I stopped recording there. I don't know how far back, but jackfruit. This is the 3rd jackfruit. That is, looks like ice cream banana. Papayas, I think I counted 11 or 12. 2nd jackfruit, some, what do you call it? Sugarcane. Pineapples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've got a lychee in the middle there. Not sure if the lychee's gonna survive, but just thought I'd plan it out as sort of an experiment. The fireplace, for a fire pit rather. So I had a ton of growth over here, and I just had a fire probably last month. Got Ugly Betty mango over there. Let's see if it'll focus. Yeah. Got the cactus there, loquat, the local loquat variety. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mulberries there, another cactus. Little tree spinach here, holding on for dear life. This is the, gosh, what variety is this? Orange sherbet, I think. That's one of them that I planted. I got 2. Sugar cane, banana circles. Now these bananas have seen better days. A little tiny moringa. Ooh, what is that? Longin. This banana right here is really the only one I kind of care about. Maybe that one too. All the rest are probably gonna die because they're too young and they're not gonna either handle the cold or whatever. But I'm pretty much just watering that one and that one in the hopes that they fruit next year. These ones I'm not too sure about. We'll see. Some tree spinach over there. This is experimental M4 variety, which I think they say it's even better than coconut cream. So we'll see. That's a Meyer lemon. This is our bigger longin tree. So hopefully next year or the following year we can have fruit from there. Tree spinach, tree spinach, tree spinach. I had a huge thing of sweet potato vines and shoots and everything that I threw over there. It was all over the place, and I thought it was time to harvest, and I started digging, and literally nothing. There were like these tiny little tubers, like maybe like that. And so I just kind of stopped digging, left what was still there, and threw out the other vines. But I'm hoping that, you know, it'll come back next year, and I'll just let it go until all of it looks like it's died. Got some ginger back there, another longin. This is our bigger, this is the most mature mango tree that we have right now. This is the Valencia Pride. I cut it back a little bit before it started getting cold, and so I'm hoping this gives us our first fruit this year. Well, next year. This right here is a fruit punch mango. Another tree spinach. There's a little a pit where I've just been throwing some lawn mowing cuttings, or you know, grass blades. And this one, I don't know what's going on with this mango. It's still green, so I'm gonna leave it, but looks like it's, I don't know. This one is the, crap, man, what variety is this? Lemon something, can't remember. Yeah, I can't remember. This one is this is another orange sherbet, so that one has to be the lemon meringue variety. Some more sweet potato. This is actually sweet potato. The other one was yams over there. Got some more papayas back here. This is another Valencia Pride that died back last winter. So 2 pretty good sized papayas that are both flowering right now. This was the Barbados cherry. We got a ton of cherries off of this thing this year. That thing's grown like crazy too. I've had to actually prune it back quite a bit. Another mulberry. This is the jaboticaba, which again, still growing pretty slowly, but still hanging in there. So got some katuk over there, variegated katuk. Some more tree spinach, which I hope is going to kind of create a little bit of a border there. Another banana. Let's come over here. Got some more sugar cane coming up. This stuff has died back, and/or I've harvested it. And then let's see, one more mango. This one is the cotton candy. So this one's also starting to push. So I was wondering, what are some good things I can do my own research, but any of you guys know in Southwest Florida or in South Florida, what are some good things to grow during these winter months? I'm thinking squash, maybe pumpkin, stuff like that. Again, the lettuces and maybe tomatoes, but I'm just not very good at like having to do things. I mean, in pots it would be fine, but tomatoes, I've killed so many tomatoes here trying. So if you need to have like shade cloth, or probably gotta have some sort of shade cloth to do tomatoes here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is there anything that I'm missing out on? I'm sure there's tons of things I'm missing, but that are easy to grow and provide a significant yield in the winter that would be kind of worth my while. Let me know. So some kind of short to midterm plans. I've been thinking about maybe, I originally had thought, the mulberries are so easy to take cuttings and grow them out, but I do kind of want to have space for example, this guava here is gonna eventually grow out, and if I have to choose between these two, I'm gonna go with the guava because I have so many mulberries and only one guava. So I'm probably either gonna cut that one down, or I'm gonna just prune it like crazy on that right hand side there. But yeah, I'm starting to kind of think that, and same thing with the starfruit right there. I'm gonna probably cut that mulberry next to it down so that it can grow more fully and not have to worry about running into the mulberry there. But yeah, so we've got, I'm inside right now so you can't really see, but eggplant there that the neighbor gave us. Got a strawberry over here, a cutting that's not going to do much, and then got some aloe that's been in that pot forever. And then oh, this is the miracle berry that I started growing from seed. So I'm gonna wait hopefully till that gets a little bit bigger and plant it out there somewhere. But yeah, that's been pretty much it, guys. Been harvesting rain still, and the only thing is, like, this time of year, there's really not much. I mean, I could be doing a lot of greens and stuff. I could be growing lettuce and spinach and kale and all that stuff. I'm not really good at that stuff, though. I've tried in the past, and I just, the sun either bakes it or some other things happen. And thanks for watching, guys. May your dates always be dank and your bananas always be ripe. Peace.